We saw, looking at velocity, you can see that area of rotation right there just to the northwest of Arkansas City, moved past MacArthur.
Again, this warning in effect until 9:30. That does include parts of Lincoln County. If we are seeing any hail with this storm, it's probably right along US 65 here, just to the south of Douglas, moving into parts of Reedville. That's probably where we're seeing some of the strongest parts of the storm.
Saw the heavy rain, Grand Glace, Bradford, north of Bailey, those areas there, kind of seeing where the potential for the possible rotation is, moving along US 67. They're heading eastward towards 17, north of Weldon, Tupelo.
And the cold front moves through. You're going to lose all that instability, Kelly, and that watch is being whittled away from the northwest.
That's right, Keith. And looking at the map, you can see the areas highlighted in yellow. Those are the areas that are still under a tornado watch as of right now until 8 p.m. And as Keith mentioned, we have a strong cold front pushing through the state. That's really allowing these storms to fire up. Bow echoing out a little bit over in the Cabot area, which is indicative of very strong winds. But I want to go back to UCA campus, where a student, Daniel Adams, actually tweeted out this picture. He held up a piece of the roof compared to his body, and it is some very large pieces of the roof that came off Carmichael Hall from that tornado-warned storm that pushed through the UCA campus.
Great, Mom. So it was a little warm.
It was definitely a little warm. We were only a few degrees away from breaking the record high for today of 93. We made it to 91, so very warm Mom's Day. But you could definitely get outside and enjoy it as long as your allergies weren't acting too bad.
Oh, yeah.
Mine are a little rough right now,
but
the heat, if you like the warmer weather, the above average temps, you're probably going to get them all week long this week. So,
well, we're looking forward to it.
Yeah,
get out those shorts.
Summer is going to be in full effect as we head through this week. And here's why, kind of looking at the big picture here. National map showing a lot of oranges in the southeast. So the big bubble of high pressure that's keeping all those temperatures way above average here in Arkansas, spreading all the way along the southeast coast there. So all those temperatures you can see in this red bubble right here are all kind of being kept there by a big area of high pressure. So that's going to stick around for the next couple of days. That's going to allow for temperatures to stay above average as we head into the start of the work week. Right now, temps are still sitting in the upper 70s, even some 80s still on the board as we head through the overnight hours tonight. So it is going to be a very comfortable and mild overnight into the morning tomorrow. So looking again at the big picture here, satellite and radar, kind of very quiet weather here in Arkansas and south, but just to our north and to our west and to our far south, kind of a lot of stuff going on right now. Why it's quiet here in Arkansas, we do have a frontal boundary sitting up north that is firing up storms all the way from the Great Lakes region out into the plains, and then way down south along the southern Florida coast there. Looks like something tropical is trying to stir up. The National Hurricane Center has a 30% chance of that turning into a tropical system. So it's unlikely that it's really going to develop a lot, but it could bring some rain to the state here over the next couple of days as we head into the middle part of the work week. Let's take a look now at future satellite and radar as we head through the next couple of days. So we still have high pressure in control as we head through our Monday. Now that frontal boundary to our north and our west, that's going to try to slowly dip south, and that may allow for a few showers and even a couple thunderstorms to develop as we head through Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Now, these would be very hit or miss storms, not affected by the whole state. We could see a pop-up shower, a pop-up thunderstorm, very summer-like weather. You'll get one of those storms to fire up and then kind of rain themselves out. So those are the type of storms we'll be dealing with as we head through the middle and end of the work week. Now, looking down south, you can see where that system we were talking about, that tropical disturbance, that may bring some rain and moisture up along the Gulf Coast, and some of that may actually reach us here in Arkansas as we head towards the end of the work week. So we're not looking at very high rain chances, just on and off hit or miss showers and storms as we head through the next couple of days as that frontal boundary starts to dip south. A couple of disturbances are going to try to ride along it there, bringing those chances for a couple thunderstorms as we head through the end of the work week into next weekend. But tomorrow's forecast, wake-up temperatures are going to be right around that 70-degree mark, mostly clear and very comfortable, but warming up very quickly. By the afternoon, close to lunchtime, we'll already be near that 90-degree mark, settling into the low 90s as we head through the afternoon, over 10 degrees above average for this time of year. So summer is going to be in full force once again as we head through the day tomorrow. 5 p.m., still looking at temps in the 90s. So the commute home from work, you may be able to get out and enjoy the warmer summer weather if you want as you head through the evening. Upper 70s as you head through after dinner time tomorrow. Extended forecast going to show those 90s, upper 80s really aren't going anywhere over the next week. We will see those temperatures start to dip back into the upper 80s as we head towards the middle part of the work week, as those disturbances get a little bit closer, may bring some rain and rumbles to the state. Again, it's not going to be widespread. It'll be a very hit or miss splash and dash shower storms, a very summertime-like pattern here. So we will see rain chances in the forecast every day after Monday, but definitely going to be warm all week long. So you'll be able to get out and enjoy that summer-like weather this week.